Hello everyone, this is a short video about testing manual LRS350 after change thermal pad to mica insulator. I will make sure the power supply don't blow up because shorted, show you the additional insulator, test unload with oscilloscope. First, we need fire extinguisher if something wrong and blow up. And I will add 50-watt bulb in series to prevent more damage if something was shorted. I hope 50-watt bulb is enough for starting surge current. And this is the additional insulator from Kapton Tape to make sure drain MOSFET not touching ground, I hope. But still, we have problem if drain MOSFET spark to hodler screw. I don't have idea. But I think it will not happen because I have regulated UPS, protect me from over voltage, and the power supply itself have metal oxide varistor here. Oh yeah, before it I have cleaned PCB with alcohol because it's dirty. Okay, the power supply is good, nothing to explode. Next, I will try to set 24 volt at output. By the way, it's normal in Indonesia, a regular home not have properly ground wire. Finally, we will use oscilloscope to see ripple on output voltage. For unloaded output at 10 millisecond, the fast I can, we get around 20 to 40 millivolt peak to peak ripple. I think that's good. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you learned something new from this. If you have question, you can drop comment below. Follow my social media and visit my website for something interesting. Bye.